Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see semi-organza saris with beautiful digital prints. A new collection added to our catalog. I have used this sari for a couple of times in the last few days and this is what I feel about this sari. These saris mostly come in earthen and in pastel shades. Though these are in pastel shades, the small tissue lines and the beautiful digital prints makes these saris stand apart. Perfect for the younger generation. All these saris are priced in the range of 1,850. Very affordable and easy to maintain as well. These saris can be carefully hand washed at home. If you wish to get your blouses done, there's an option available in the cart page. You can click that. You can also reach out to our customer support team. We'll be more than happy to help you with your blouses. We undertake custom tailoring, fall and edging and embroidery. First one for today. It's a very pretty blue with maroon combination, contrast borders with all over tissue zari lines running throughout the body, zigzag prints in bandhani style running across the sari, a contrast printed pallu and a maroon tissue lined blouse priced at 1,850. This one is a very pretty coffee brown with ikat prints running throughout the body, simple zari border along with tissue zari lines running all over the sari. That's the pallu with tassels done. This has got a tissue blouse in coffee brown. Beige, one more lovely color with floral digital prints running throughout the body along with tissue lines. Floral printed borders with contrast selvage, a printed pallu with tassels, a self-printed blouse. Grey with elephant grey, another pretty color combination with contrast printed borders, all over floral digital prints running across the body, a geometric printed pallu with tassels, a beautiful geometric printed blouse priced at 1,850. Maroon with elephant grey, one more pretty color with contrast simple plain borders on either sides, geometric all over prints in ikat style, multicolor prints running throughout the body. That's the pallu, plain pallu and a subtly printed contrast blouse. Blue and black, one more classy sari with contrast printed borders, floral digital prints running all over the sari with tissue zari lines throughout the body, a contrast printed pallu, a floral printed blouse. Elephant grey with zari lined border, all over floral prints running throughout the sari, a printed pallu with tassels done and a tissue zari lined blouse. Yellow, orange and green, one more traditional and beautiful color combination with contrast plain borders all over floral buttas printed throughout the sari. That's the pallu in green, a zari striped contrast blouse. A very unique sari with different style of prints, a mix of pastel shades of mauve, pink and peach with abstract digital prints along the body, zari lines in tissue running all over the sari. That's the pallu with tassels done, a tissue blouse priced at 1,850. Deep navy blue with printed floral borders and kalamkari style prints running throughout the body, a printed pallu with tassels done and a self-printed blouse. Shades of green with beautiful digital floral prints running across the body, printed borders on either sides with plain contrast green border on both sides of the sari, a simple printed pallu with tassels done, a contrast digital printed blouse. Deep jamun color with printed borders and zari lines in tissue style running all over the sari, subtle digital prints in floral pattern across the body, a printed pallu with tassels done and an all over printed blouse. Bottle green with orange, a very pretty sari with contrast printed borders and all over kalamkari style floral prints in digital pattern running all over the body, a printed contrast pallu, a self-printed tissue blouse in orange. Blue with peacock green, printed borders with floral buttas running throughout the body, a zigzag pallu with tassels done, a contrast all over printed blouse. Maroon, beautiful sari with contrast borders and all over abstract prints running throughout the sari. That's the pallu, simple pallu with tissue lines, a geometric printed blouse. Black and blue, one more beautiful sari with double color black and blue borders on either sides, all over floral prints running throughout the body, printed pallu with tassels done, a subtly printed blue blouse priced at 1,850. Lavender and grey A very classy and elegant sari with printed floral borders along with digital printed floral pattern in the body. Zari lines in tissue pattern running throughout the sari. Printed pallu with tassels done. And all over printed blouse, priced at 1,850. Dual shade of blue and green with maroon combination. Piping zari borders along with abstract prints running throughout the body. A plain contrast pallu with tassels done. A contrast geometric printed blouse. Green with zigzag bandhani style digital prints and floral printed borders on either sides. Printed pallu with tassels done. A contrast printed blouse, priced at 1,850. The last one for today, beautiful sari with contrast zari lined tissue borders on either sides with abstract all over prints running throughout the body. Printed pallu, a contrast zari lined tissue printed blouse, priced at 1,850. All these saris are available in our website. We have multiple pieces available in each of the saris that I had shown you today. Much more unique designs and colors have also been uploaded. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.